I'm starting my presentation.
Yes, please. So you have 15 minutes. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, this is my project, sir. My project and drone with audio announcement, sir.
Well, we can see your screen, but we don't see your presentation.
Again, I'm sharing my screen, sir. How it is viewable, sir?
Yes. Yeah, visible.
Thank you, sir. This is my project, drone with audio announcement, sir. During lockdown period, it was initiated as per the instructions of superior officers, as all the police personnel are to protect police personnel against the COVID during lockdown period, sir. Our objective is to curb the spread of the coronavirus, to improve the police personnel health security from COVID-19, and also it is useful to alert the public any other emergency situations, to announce lively using some mobile phone. At present, you are using recorded audio with in USB mode at the places of public where gathering mainly in containment zones during lockdown. Actual the need for initiatives during this pandemic situation. Police personnel are supposed to go public personally, physically, to educate and to giving awareness to the public, due to which police personnel are infecting with coronavirus. That is the need, sir. Using the drone, at the time, our idea to announce audio announcement through drone, using drone to overcome this physical monitoring. People aware people aware on usage of masks and sanitizers and the importance of social distance, and to avoid unnecessary movement in outside. That is announcement we are given to the public through this drone. The component of this project simply, actually previously we purchased drones, sir, before 2 years back. Actually, the payload is capability at minimum of 450 grams maximum, sir. That is maximum. At that time, we got an idea. Actually, this drone not provided with any payload, sir, except camera, no payload. We thought that using miniature power public address system, which has USB port with recorded audio, which with message, which has to address to public, we recorded in the USB port, and also mobile phone. It is not implemented throughout the state, but it is done in our in-house technical R&D team. And the switch control is there for selecting live and recorded audio. Actually, live means through cell phone, from remotely we can call the other cell phone which is attached to drone. Then automatically it answers the call, and whatever we speak, this voice announced to the public. Next. This is the pics of original drone. So this is number one is original drone, but with modified drone with public address system, which is placed on the top of the drone. Minimum actually payload is less than payload 450 grams. This miniature public address system weight is less than 300 grams. That's why it is able to carry this PA system. Okay, sir, I will show one video clip. Sir, this is the video we tried at our premises. It is a siren, sir.
Mr. Rao,
collecting the,
we are not able to see your video.
oh, not able to. Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
You can share your screen once again with the video. And if there is sound in the video, then while sharing the screen on the left and bottom, when you say share screen,
Yes.
there would be a box. You have to check that box because then only the audio will come. Otherwise, audio will not come.
Now audio, I'm sharing now. Is it okay, sir?
బయటకు రావాల్సి వచ్చినా మాస్కులు తప్పక ధరించవలెను. అవసరం లేకుండా ఇంటి బయటకు వచ్చిన ఆత్మ నిబంధనలు ఉల్లంఘించిన వారిపై చట్టరీత్యా చర్యలు తీసుకోబడును. పై విధంగా అందరూ పైన చెప్పిన ఆదేశాలను పాటిస్తారు.
That's the video clipping, sir. Next. Benefit of this project, sir. Continuously, we can monitor continuously and monitoring and surveillance of quarantine centers and containment zones during the pandemic situations, sir. And also ensure security of the citizens. The deterrence and prevention of corona spread. We can limit the corona spread, sir. All districts, all units utilizing these drones with audio announcement system for giving precautionary measures to the public. And also we can monitor movement of vehicles and pedestrian movements. Next. This is current status, sir. The department spent 1.7 crores for these 15 plus 65 drones, sir. These are 2 models. Latest model, that is DJI Phantom 4 drones, sir, on which we developed this project, sir. At present, 50% of the above drones connected with this audio announcement system. All are utilized in lockdown situation. And in any situation, any emergency situation arises, they, at that time also are using in the units, sir. The media clippings in various districts of Andhra Pradesh while announcing audio announcement through public address system. The audio media clippings. Feature scope. So this is the feature scope. Live audio announcement can be made remotely from mobile phone. Operator can dial the mobile phone which was attached to drones. What the officer speaks automatically announced in the public address system. That is the feature scope. Actually, it is not implemented in all units. We are in our R&D section. We are doing, sir. In future, it will be applied. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You already had.
Are you audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I
audible.
audible? Yeah, I was wondering, this drone technology was earlier also present to us by Telangana government to control the unruly crowd and riot situation, etc. Okay. Now your device has added value addition is that you have a announcement system to that. This is particularly very useful to dispersing people or restricting people to not to come to the area of risk, especially in the COVID time. But how many such drones are available in the state to have a reach out to every nook and corner as much as COVID is spread out?
Actually, 50, total 50. So out of 50%, we are utilizing this purpose, sir. 50% is 25 numbers, sir.
Do you think it's adequate?
In a year, we are having 18 units, sir, in our state.
Uh-huh.
We issued 2 drones for each district, each unit.
Hmm.
Out of those, 50% are modified with this miniature power PA system.
This intervention through drone, how much it has helped in your opinion, in controlling the behavioral aspects of the people, especially special time of the COVID?
It is very much useful, sir, for the police personnel to not to approach the people physically.
No, that I understood. That safety is taken care of. Now say you got information through drone that one area has problems.
Yes, sir.
Then if that problem warrants for a physical, bandobast, a police that you will do eventually, isn't it? Only so far the place is safe, people are not unruly, then drone information system assures your staff not to be, exposed to the risk, and also stopping the people come to the outside the houses. Isn't
Yes,
that
sir.
it? That's it? Okay. But how do you control this? If it's a huge state, large population, and drone technology is, you can survey, at one time, how many hours a drone can, fly?
25 minutes, sir. Actually.
Considering the time, limitations, coverage seems to be, minimal. One has to be lucky or unlucky to find such things which we can address to. So, are you trying to expand the time surveillance?
Actually, we have spare batteries, sir. We can extend the time duration also, sir.
Because 25 minutes is too short to make any, dent into the problem. Okay, thank you.
You already have a body. You already have a body-worn camera to do similar kind of job. The people on the field, they go to the places and see whether the corona in the affected area, whether they are doing social distancing and all that. So, is this drone project complementary to that, supplementary to that, or independent of it?
This is independent, madam. This is independent. Why? Because it is.
So that means you are doing 2 things. One is the same corona affected area you are monitoring and doing surveillance through people on the ground wearing their body cameras, and a similar activity is done through the drone on the air. So
Not like that.
how do you tally them? Like, these are 2 different information. Same information you are getting from 2 different sources, but information is same. Are you sure they are what should I say? They are complementing each other, whether they are giving the same evidence or they are different, or whether there is an error? How do you add the 2 together? Because the same police department doing both the jobs, and the objective is same, target area is same, everything remaining same. Only thing is, one is on the ground, one is on the air.
This is different, madam.
So how do you integrate them?
Actual body-worn camera should be wear by the police personnel. See, he has to go. He has to go nearby to public.
Anyway, he has to go. It is his job to go. Anyway.
And also another achievement, there is a public announcement, audio announcement is there in this drone.
If it is going there, if a person is going there and he knows that there is this thing. I'm not saying drone thing is not good. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is this is an added advantage of doing the announcement from a central location. One announcement goes everywhere, right?
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
if you integrate that with the ground reality, then things will be much better. So why don't you do that?
So, yeah. Mm, Actually, these drones can approach more than 2 kilometers. Now, the actual per person can go. It will take time.
Sorry, your audio is not very good. I'm not able to hear.
We can from drones message will go fast comparing to BWC body one camera. Announcement go very fast to public, madam, and nearly remotely we can address the person, madam, from more than 2 kilometers. We can view the person where the public is gathering. We can disperse the if you want to disperse the gathering, we can instruct a public, and we caution the public, and I will give we can give awareness to, wear
Agree.
mask.
Drone has its own advantages and disadvantages. I'm not doubting that. Drone can do without putting your people on the ground at risk. If there is a crowd and they become unruly, people are not there. I mean, if they are there, they may get affected. With a drone, you can try to control them with announcements. Fine, I agree that. But drone has also its own underlying thing, like 45 minutes it can stay in the air. You have to recharge, you have to send another one. Those things are there. So what I'm saying is the body worn camera and the drone put together, if they work jointly, probably you get a better result uh, for addressing the same situation. That's all. It's my suggestion. I'm not saying anything else.
Yes, madam. Actually, they are
Yeah.
both of same purpose.
No, this was, we have understood the proposition, and also the way you explain, quite a bit of it, has been clarified. But what Shefali is saying is only making a suggestion. If it, suits your scheme of things, then you may try to look into that. That's about the only thing. We are not seeking a reply on this.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. We move on to the